make a word train with its sound words. Let's make a word train with its sound words. Iguana, ink pot, igloo, inchworm. Iguana, ink pot, igloo, inchworm. Let's make a word train with its sound words. Let's make a word train with its sound words. Hi everyone! How do you feel today? Oh great! It's the time to learn literacy. Are you ready? Do you remember our last lesson? Which letter we have learnt? We learnt all about letter H. Today we are going to learn all about letter I. Which letter we are going to learn? All about letter I. I am going to teach you how to write letter I, the sound of letter I, what are the words starts with letter I, jolly phonic sound of letter I, and what are the hands-on activities we can do for letter I. Are you ready? Here we go. Letter I is a vowel. So far we have learnt 8 letters including 2 vowels. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A and E are vowels. Today we are going to learn letter I, and letter I also a vowel. I am going to introduce uppercase I first. As we all know, there are 2 types of letters, uppercase and lowercase. First, I am going to write on the board uppercase I. Look at the board. You all know this is our headline and this is leg line. These are 2 tummy lines. I will show you how to write uppercase I. We start from the headline and goes to the second tummy line, a straight line. It should be very straight. And go back to the top, a line across, and again down a line across. One more time. A standing line starts from the headline and it goes to the second tummy line. Stop it and line across and line across. One more time, a standing line, a line across and line across. Are you ready to practice with me? Take these 2 fingers. A standing line goes to the second tummy line, a line across and line across. Standing line, a line across and line across. This we call as uppercase I, mother I, big I and capital I. Now I will show you how to write lowercase I. It is very easy. A standing line between 2 tummy lines. Stop it and keep a dot up. A standing line and keep a dot outside from the tummy line. Keep a dot. This is lowercase I. It's very easy. Take these 2 fingers. Yes, standing line. Don't go beyond from the second tummy line and keep a dot up. Standing line. Yes, stop it and keep a dot. Don't keep the dot like this. Like this. This letter we call as baby I, small I, lowercase I, and simple I. If we call this one mama I, this will become baby. If we call this uppercase, this will become lowercase. If we call this one big guy, this is small I. Capital I, if we call this will become simple I. Do they look same or different? Even though they look different, they make the same sound. What's the sound of letter I? E. What's the sound of letter I? E. What's the sound of letter I? E. Now I am going to introduce what are the words starts with letter I. Number 1. Iguana. Iguana is a reptile. Belongs to lizard family. Iguana commonly green color and iguana has sharp eyes. So they can see the long distance. Number 2. Igloo. Igloo is a kind of a house. Actually, it's a small hut made by snow. Do you remember? For letter E, we learnt about Eskimos. Eskimos are living in igloo houses. Igloo houses we can see very cold places like Antarctica continent. Eskimos house we called as igloo. Number 3, ink pot. It's a container holding ink. If you have an ink pen, you can jump the pen and write. Do you like to write by ink pen? Number 4, insects. Insects commonly they are small species and they don't have a backbone. Some they have wings to fly. They have 6 legs and 3 parts of the body. Some they have antennas on their heads. We can give examples for insects: butterfly, honeybee, caterpillar, ladybug, spider. These all are belongs to insects. Number 5. You all know you all like to eat ice cream. It's a very sweet frozen food making with sugar, milk and cream. I know you all like to eat ice cream. We learned the E sound words, but ice cream also starts with letter I. We are pronouncing it ice cream. Now you all know 5 words. Are you ready to remind the words which we learned today? Yes. Number 1, iguana. Number 2, igloo. Number 3, ink pot. Number 4, insect. Number 5, ice cream. Now you know what is the sound of letter I and how to write uppercase and lowercase I both. And what are the words start with letter I? Now it's the time to sing jolly phonic song. Actually, this song about a mouse. The name of the mouse is Inky. Inky spilled the ink all over the desk. Are you ready to sing with me? Yes. 1, 2, 3, start. Inky the mouse by bed, she spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. One more time. Inky the mouse by bed, she spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Now you know how to write letter I, the sound of letter I, what are the words starts with letter I, and jolly phonic song of letter I. It's the time to do hands-on activities. Are you ready? Hi dear children. Today I am going to use pom-pom for this activity. Instead of pom-pom, you can use semolina, Play-Doh, clay, tiny sand, squishy bags for this activity. Let's start the activity. First, I am going to make letter uppercase I. I will go up and make line across. Finish. Now I am going to do lowercase I with you. Short standing line. Remember? Writing between the two low lines. It should be short. It's very easy. Uppercase I. This is also. This is uppercase I and this is lowercase I. My next letter is letter J. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.